Hello, my name is James Redden. I am the CEO of a company called Survipod Engineering Solutions Ltd. Survipod surveying equipment are a range of unique surveying solutions tools for use in the surveying and setting out profession to greatly enhance the performance of setting out equipment such as total stations, laser levels and dumpy levels. Fundamentally, Survipod replaces the conventional tripod, which by its very design is prone to unwanted interference and movement, thus improving the speed and accuracy in the setting out process. With such rigid support, the risk of damaged total stations is significantly reduced, greatly reducing the risk of serious and costly damage to expensive and highly calibrated technology. Survipod has been used extensively on several of the UK's highest profile engineering and concrete formwork projects in recent years, including the Shard at London Bridge, Neo Bankside, a world-class development on the River Thames,